Today, we're going to take a look at 10 incredible creatures that should not exist. These are animals that defy the laws of nature and challenge our understanding of the world around us. From terrifying predators to bizarre organisms, these creatures will amaze you with their unique features and behaviors. But be warned, some of these creatures are not for the faint of heart. So, sit back and prepare to be amazed by the 10 incredible creatures they shouldn't exist. Axolotl. The axolotl is a species of salamander that is found exclusively in the waters of Mexico. This unique creature has the ability to regenerate its limbs, spinal cord, heart, and other vital organs. Scientists have been studying the axolotl's regenerative abilities for decades, hoping to unlock the secrets of this incredible process and apply it to human medicine. Axolotls are also unusual in that they remain in a juvenile state throughout their lives, meaning they never fully mature into adults. They have external gills that protrude from their necks, which they use to breathe underwater. Axolotls are carnivorous and feed on small fish, insects, and other aquatic creatures. Unfortunately, the axolotl is critically endangered in the wild due to habitat loss and pollution. Efforts are being made to conserve the species, including captive breeding programs and the creation of protected habitats in their natural range. Yeti Crab. The Yeti crab is a deep-sea dweller that was discovered in 2005 off the coast of Antarctica. This crab is unique in that it is covered in a thick layer of blonde hair-like filaments, giving it a resemblance to the mythical Yeti creature of Himalayan folklore. The Yeti crab is adapted to living in extreme environments, with its habitat being located near hydrothermal vents on the ocean floor. These vents emit superheated water and chemicals, providing the crab with a source of energy and nutrients. The crab has specialized appendages that it uses to farm bacteria that grow on the hydrothermal vents, which it then eats. Despite its strange appearance and unique adaptations, not much is known about the Yeti crab. Only a handful of specimens have been collected, and researchers are still studying this enigmatic creature to learn more about its biology and ecology. Starnosed Mole. The Starnosed Mole is a small, burrowing mammal that is found in the wetlands of eastern North America. It is unique in that it has a distinctive star-shaped nose that is covered in 22 fleshy appendages, or rays. These rays are highly sensitive and contain over 25,000 sensory receptors, making the mole's sense of touch incredibly acute. The star-nosed mole uses its unique nose to detect prey, which it catches by thrusting its nose into the ground and feeling for movements. The mole's nose can move so quickly that it can identify and capture prey in just 230 milliseconds, making it one of the fastest predators in the animal kingdom. The star-nosed mole is also an accomplished swimmer and can hold its breath for up to 10 minutes. It is primarily a carnivore, feeding on insects, worms, and other small invertebrates. Mantis Shrimp. The mantis shrimp is a colorful, marine crustacean that is found in the warm waters of the Pacific and Indian Oceans. It is famous for its powerful punch, which can deliver a force of up to 1,500 newtons, enough to break aquarium glass or even crack a crab's shell. The mantis shrimp has an incredibly complex visual system, with 16 color receptors compared to humans' 3. It can also see polarized light, which allows it to detect camouflaged prey and predators. The mantis shrimp's eyes are mounted on stalks, which can move independently and provide the shrimp with a 360-degree view of its surroundings. In addition to its impressive vision and punching ability, the mantis shrimp is also a skilled hunter. It feeds on a variety of prey, including fish, crabs, and mollusks. Its powerful claws can also be used to dig burrows and defend against predators. Next up is the narwhal, a unique whale species that lives in the Arctic waters of Canada, Greenland, and Russia. The narwhal is famous for its long, spiral tusk, which can grow up to 10 feet long. The tusk is actually a tooth that grows through the narwhal's upper lip and can be used for communication, sensing changes in the environment, and even hunting. The narwhal is also known for its incredible diving abilities, reaching depths of up to 5,000 feet in search of food. Its diet consists of fish, squid, and shrimp, and it has a specialized sensory system in its skin that allows it to detect changes in water pressure and temperature. Anglerfish. Our next creature is the anglerfish, a deep-sea fish that has a unique way of hunting. The female anglerfish has a long, thin appendage protruding from the top of its head that contains a light-producing organ called a photophore. This light attracts prey to the anglerfish's mouth, where it is devoured whole. What's even more fascinating is that male anglerfish are tiny in comparison to the females and have a parasitic relationship with them. Once they find a mate, the male latches onto the female and becomes permanently fused to her body, relying on her for nutrition for the rest of its life. Tardigrade. The tardigrade, also known as the water bear, is a microscopic animal that has captured the attention of scientists for its incredible resilience. These tiny creatures can survive in extreme environments that would kill most other living organisms, including freezing temperatures, boiling heat, radiation, and the vacuum of space. The tardigrade achieves this through a process called cryptobiosis, where it essentially shuts down its metabolism and enters a state of suspended animation until conditions improve. Moving on to another unique creature, we have the horseshoe crab. This living fossil has remained largely unchanged for millions of years and is considered one of the oldest species on Earth. They have been around for over 450 million years, long before the age of the dinosaurs. Horseshoe crabs are found in shallow ocean waters along the coasts of the Atlantic Ocean and the Gulf of Mexico. They have a hard exoskeleton and a distinctive horseshoe-shaped shell that covers their body. They have 10 legs and can move quite quickly for their size. In fact, they are known to be the fastest marine invertebrates. One of the most interesting features of the horseshoe crab is their blue blood. Their blood is used in the biomedical industry to detect bacterial endotoxins in medical equipment and vaccines. This unique property of their blood is due to the presence of a substance called limulus amoebocyte lysate, LAL, which clots in the presence of bacterial endotoxins. The Dumbo Octopus. The Dumbo Octopus is a unique deep-sea creature that gets its name from its resemblance to the Disney character Dumbo the elephant. This creature has a unique appearance with fins that resemble ears and a mantle that looks like a head. The Dumbo Octopus is found in the deep sea, at depths of up to 13,000 feet. They are commonly found in the cold, dark waters of the Arctic and Antarctic oceans. These octopuses are quite small, with a typical size of about 8 inches. They have 8 arms that are webbed with a thin layer of skin to help them move through the water. They are also known for their large, expressive eyes. One of the most unique features of the Dumbo octopus is its ability to swim. Unlike most octopuses that use jet propulsion to swim, the Dumbo octopus flaps its fins to move through the water. This makes them one of the only known species of octopus that does not use jet propulsion. The blobfish. Last but not least, we have the blobfish. This odd-looking creature has become somewhat of an internet sensation due to its unusual appearance. It is a deep-sea fish that lives in the waters off the coast of Australia and Tasmania. The blobfish has a gelatinous, blob-like body that lacks muscles and bones. It is covered in a soft, fleshy skin that hangs off its body in folds. Its lack of bones is an adaptation to the extreme pressure of the deep-sea environment in which it lives. The blobfish has a relatively small mouth that it uses to feed on small crustaceans and other creatures that float by. Despite its unappealing appearance, the blobfish is actually quite harmless to humans. In conclusion, these 10 creatures we have explored today are truly incredible and unique. From the pangolin's protective armor to the tardigrade's ability to survive in extreme environments, these creatures have adapted in fascinating ways to survive in their respective habitats. While some of these creatures may seem strange or otherworldly, they are a testament to the diversity and complexity of life on our planet.